Hey, 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 Caddyman's back. You know, anytime you're going to cook something special, you have to have, a setup, a kind of a pre-designation. That's what we're going to do here. We're going to get ready for the smash burger that we've been telling you about. It's coming, but here's what we got to do first. We're going to do our onion, pickles, and mustard that go on the smash burger. Now, as always, we kind of stole this from Pita Pit. Yeah, I know. We try to take things from other people and make them just a little bit better by tweaking them. And that's what we did. So, I'm going to start off by starting my fire. As you know, I love fire. Olive oil. Can't have too much olive oil. Onions. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get those onions all separated out there because we are going to saute these to the best of our ability. Oh, you notice the grill over here? Smash burger coming. Salt. Got to have salt. Sugar. Got to have sugar. Got to just kind of kill those onions a little bit. Okay? Pickles. Got to have pickles. This is the two main ingredients. Pickles and onions. Now, I'm going to saute these for a while and get them all ready to go. Okay, been sauteing these onions and pickles and they are ready to roll. We have to add the last ingredient, which is the mustard, which I'm getting ready to do right now. All I do, fourth of a cup of mustard. And all I'm going to do is stir it in, getting it all out of there, trying to anyway, trying to do the best I can to get that all out of there. And then what I'm going to do is just stir it in. Can you hear that? Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. It is actually cooking into the onions and the pickles. I've almost got it all in there now. And I'm going to show you how beautiful this looks. And I can't tell you the smell. The smell is absolutely phenomenal. It is ready. I'm turning off the fire. Look at this. This is what's going on the smash burger. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so that part is done. The smash burger is coming. Now, be sure to come by and see me. Remember, don't fly, drive. I need you to drive. If you like our videos, please press the like button. Also, you can find me on Caddyman 417 on YouTube. Yeah, that's where all of our videos are posted. Yep, you can see them. Hey, and if you like them, subscribe to them. Won't hurt you. Might like it. Come see me now. You hear?